Hey guys, Bitmaster back again. Just wanted to make another quick video on another Rad Studio IDE plugin that I've created called Delphi Code Sprites. So I'm going to show you first the GitHub page, and the link will also be in the description so you guys can go get it quickly and easily. But basically, this is the page, and you just want to download the zip. Okay, what this plugin does, in case some of you might be wondering, it allows you to create image overlays inside of your IDE. And they can also support PNGs and animated GIFs. So that way you can have little, 2D or 3D characters in your code IDE or anything else you so desire, to be honest with you. You can just slap it down, drag it where you want it, and enjoy. And if you use this in correlation in conjunction with my other plugin, which is the Studio Effects plugin, it really creates an amazing setup for you, because you'll be able to have animated effects while you're typing, audio effects, and everything else added in along with the characters that you might portray in your code. This is really good because if you're trying to do like a live stream or something, it kind of livens up your IDE. People can enjoy what you're doing a little better with their favorite characters on the screen and stuff like that, right? So anyway, that's the page. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Get back to the IDE, you'll open it up, you'll just open the dproj that I include with it, and you'll be presented with this. So what you want to do is make sure, like in the other one I showed you in the other video, just make sure you're on release mode, make sure you're on Windows 32 release mode for the targeted operating system, and then right click, build, and right click again on the BPL file and choose install, and then just hit OK. You're done. You don't have anything else to do. You can close out and enjoy. Now I'm going to show you how to enjoy, so let me open up a Pascal file so we can see some code. And as you can see, once you're in a code window, you'll have the ability to click on tools, and then you'll have the ability to have these three new options added to your tools menu. Clear all images, obviously that would clear all the images out so you don't have to look at them anymore. Toggle the image visibility, also that toggles them on and off in case you want to leave them saved but you don't want to clear them out entirely. And then you can add an image to your editor. Now I'm going to click on add image to editor, and you can choose the size, the appearance. You've got a few different modes you can put on there. You've got a transparency meter. Usually I literally don't mess with it at all. If the image that you're going to use is a PNG or a transparent GIF image, then obviously you wouldn't need transparency at all anyways. You can have a border around it, like if you want to have like a green lined border or like a color border to go around any image you throw in there, that's great. You can do that. You can also have a background color if your image is transparent and you would like it to have a background, you can do that. I don't know why you would, but whatever. I wanted to give as many options as I could to people, so I'm going to click Browse, and you'll have to kind of give me a minute here, guys. I think I included a folder where you can have demo images and stuff that you can do and whatnot. So I'm just going to go with this little Trojan guy. I'm going to click Open, and it shows you a preview of what you're about to do. Okay, and I'm just going to hit OK. And then there you have it. You can drag that thing wherever you'd like it to go and begin programming. Now I like to drag mine down and resize them actively in real time. So I like mine to be kind of like just in the corner there, like you could just leave it kind of like right there. And once you get it where you want it to go, the little white draggy things kind of go away and it blends in nice and sexy like, you see? So then you can type and you can have your special effects. And you can also have pictures. Now you don't have to leave it at just one. You can also go to Tools, add image to editor, and you're more than welcome to add as many as you like. So let's add the little jellyfish and see what it does. So it looks like this is just going to be a still frame image, but it is a GIF, it is animated. So I'm going to leave the animation speed for this GIF at 100 milliseconds. I think that'll be fine. I'm going to hit OK. And there you have it, an animated little jellyfish. So I'm going to pull this up and resize it a bit. So then we could put him, maybe, I don't know, like maybe up here in the very top right. And there you have it. Now you got yourself a little animated jellyfish while you program. Pretty cool, right? So that's all there is to it, boys. I hope you like this plugin. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. and I will catch you guys in a future video. Until next time, stay frosty. Keep programming, boys.